Hello there. Before you sign up to FreeSponder, I've got one last question for you. Do you want to be a free member or do you want to be a premium member? Now this is going to be a very short video. I'm just going to show you the difference between those two membership options, and I'm going to show you a really interesting calculation. Now the way that FreeSponder works, as you know, we provide you with lots and lots of books that you can give away, and that's going to encourage people to sign up to your autoresponder so that you can build an email list. However, you can also make some money completely automatically, totally passive, while you are giving away those books. And this is how it works. So this is one of the books that you might give away from our system. Helps people to get their website to #1 on Google. So it's quite a popular book. I've got the book open right here, so we'll have a look at it. There are advertisements in this book, you'll see as I scroll down through it. And all of these advertisements relate to the nature of this book and also whatever we're talking about at this particular place within the book. So they're very, very relevant to this particular reader. Now, what we also try to do where we can is to find products that would solve somebody's problem. So what problem could a person have that reads these books? Let's find a product that will solve that problem and put an advertisement for that product in the book. Now, all of the products are being sold through affiliate networks. Now, when one of your readers buys one of these products, it's an affiliate link that they're clicking on. And you need to decide whether you want that link to be mine or yours. If you are a free member of FreeSponder, then that's my affiliate link. So when a reader buys the product, I make a commission. If you are a premium member of FreeSponder, then it's your affiliate link. That's the only difference between the two memberships. So when a reader buys a product, you will get a commission. So this product here, Backlink Beast, helps people to get their website ranked on #1 on Google. It's a great product. It's being sold through the ClickBank marketplace using their affiliate network. And if you're a free member, I make money when people buy this product. But if you are a premium member, when one of your readers buys this product, you can make, on average, $900. That's an incredible commission. I'm going to show you the statistics of this particular product. Then I want to show you an interesting calculation. So this is the ClickBank marketplace. That product was Backlink Beast, which is this one right here. So I'm going to zoom in. There we go. So there is an initial product that the customer buys, and then they sign up to the membership program and they pay every month. And you get commissions on that initial sale, but you also get a commission on their monthly membership for as long as they remain a member. So you're getting ongoing commissions. Now, on average, you can expect, from each sale you make, you can expect over $900. So some people, obviously, you're not going to make as much. Other people, you'll make more. That's the average for this particular product. So we need to do a calculation. I want you to think about this because this is the decision that you need to make. Becoming a premium member of FreeSponder is $47 per month. If you want to do that, then bear in mind that you're going to be giving away books that have got adverts in them, and your readers might buy those products from those adverts. So let's take a look at this product here, $900 commission. I'm going to bring in my calculator, make sure it's cleared. So $900 divided by your monthly membership, that's $47. That is 19.14 months. That means that if you decide to become a premium member of FreeSponder and you're giving away our books and just one of your readers buys this product, just one, and nobody else buys anything from any of the books at all, but one person buys this product, that sale will have paid for 19 months of your $47 a month membership. Just think about that. That's incredible. One sale in 19 months and the entire system has paid for itself. Now, this is not the most profitable product by any stretch of the imagination. Look at this one up here. It's also a product that we advertise in the books for you. $1,644 commission. So let's take that one. $1,644. If you make a single sale, that's what you'll expect to get in commission. So let's divide that by your $47 per month membership. That pays for almost 3 years worth of premium membership to FreeSponder. Just one sale of this product would pay for almost 3 years of your premium membership option. So you might be thinking, I'm not going to be giving that many books away, I might not get many sales, but your business is going to grow, and I'm pretty sure within 3 years you will certainly have had quite a few of your readers buying products from within the ebooks. So keep that in mind whilst I tell you another little exciting thing. Every book that you give away does two very special things. First of all, when the reader has finished reading a book, we say to them, we hope you enjoyed reading this book. We think you might also enjoy reading these books, and we present them with some other books that they might want to read. So you give away one book to get that person on your email list, but when they've read it, we encourage them to read other books that they might be interested in. And of course, all of those books have got advertisements in them as well. And once they finish the second book, they are then encouraged to read more, so it never ends. And every one of those books with the adverts in, if you're a premium member, a free sponder, then if that particular reader buys any of those products at all, you're getting commissions. Now, the second thing that we also do, and this is much more powerful, is every single reader that downloads one of the books, we ask them to share that book with their friends. We make it very easy for them to do. They just click a button and it will share the book along with a picture of the book onto their social media, like they can share it on Twitter or Facebook and so on and so forth. So we're encouraging them to share the book. So their email has been added to your list. Now they're sharing the book with their friends. And their friends can then read the book, and if they want to, they can read other books that are recommended at the end, but they're also encouraged to share it too. So our intention here is to try to get as many people as possible reading each of these books. So you give it away to one person, they share it with their friends, those people share it with their friends, and so on and so forth. So the books are designed to go viral. We encourage these books to be shared with people as much as possible. So of course you need to decide whether, when these books are being shared with all of these people and they're going viral on social media, do you want the adverts in the book to have your affiliate link in them, so that when those readers are buying products, you make money completely automatically? Because bear in mind, this part of the business is totally passive. It just happens anyway. People are going to be reading your books, people are going to be sharing your books, and that's just happening automatically whilst you are building your list. So it's totally passive. It happens 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, whilst you're sleeping or while you're on holiday. Any one of your readers can at any point in time buy a product that's advertised in the book, and then if you are a premium member of FreeSponder, you will get a commission. And as you can see, the commissions are really quite spectacular. So think about that. Think about the fact that we encourage the books to go viral. Your readers will share them with their friends, and those people with their friends, and so on and so forth. We give them the option of sharing these books on pretty much every social media platform you can imagine. There are hundreds of options available, and they just have to click a button in the book. It's so easy for them to do. And of course, we also say, we hope you enjoyed the book. Check out these other books as well. And all of those ones also have lots of products advertised in them. But look at these commissions. They are insane. And that particular product right there, if one person buys that product, just one person out of all of the books you give away and all the people that are sharing them on social media, just one reader buys that product in 3 years, then your membership to FreeSponder has been completely covered. And everything else is just money in your pocket. It's a bonus. So yeah, what we really try and do, we always choose products that sell really well. They have great converting sales pages. We choose the very best products from the affiliate programs that we support. And we always, of course, go for products where we can that have those additional incomes. So you're not just making money once. When one of your readers buys a product, you end up getting money every single month. So this in itself can turn into a very lucrative 100% passive automated income for you, as well as building your email list and having your autoresponders providing you with your main business and an additional income as well. Of course, the main goal of FreeSponder is to help you to build lots and lots of autoresponders and have huge email lists that make you a fortune. That's our main goal, to help you to do that. But this is a wonderful little passive side income that's very lucrative. It runs into a lot of money, and it happens totally automatically just while you're doing what you're going to be doing anyway. So those are the options. That's the difference between free and premium. If you're a free member, the adverts in those books mean nothing to you whatsoever. If you're a premium member, the adverts in those books that get shared virally by every person that reads one of those books, they all carry your affiliate link. We sort all that out for you. We brand all of those links automatically. It's all ready to go straight away, and you get those commissions instead of other, and they are very lucrative commissions. So I think it's a bit of a no-brainer that the premium option is really the way that everybody should go. But we do completely understand and we respect that some people are just in a position where they can't do that. If they even wanted to do it and they tried to make the payment, it'd be declined because they're currently in the red and they've got debts and they simply cannot pay for something that costs $47 per month. We know that some people are going to be in that situation. If that's you, then get yourself on the free option. Don't spend any money on anything at all. Just follow all of our training in order to be able to build up your business. Go to the mindset page of our membership program and learn how to create a wealth mindset for yourself so that you're doing all the right things to make money. Get yourself out of debt, recover your situation, start building up an income so that you can actually leave work, so you can become financially free. And once you've got money coming in and you can afford $47 a month, then get yourself on the premium option, because at that point it will make you a lot more money than just losing out on all these commissions because you haven't paid for a premium membership. So they're going to amount to a lot more than $47 each month once people start buying these products. So I strongly recommend get on it as soon as you can. If it's available for you today, if it's something that you can do right now, then I recommend you go for premium. But if not, we've got that free option there for you. And a little bit later down the line, you might want to update. Now, I will say that we are changing the price on this. The price is going to change to $67 per month. It's currently at $47 per month. We have a limit of the number of people we will allow at $47 per month. And the main reason we're doing that, this is a project that we've only just launched in the way it is now. And we want to get some people on this project and we want to be asking them for some feedback so we get some nice reviews and testimonials for our website. So what we're doing is we're putting it on $47 per month until we've got a nice amount of feedback from our members, some testimonials and some reviews that we can put on our website. And once we've done that, then we'll be switching it over to $67 per month. So that process is happening at the moment. So if you do become a free member and you sign up to the premium option later, it might be $67 a month and not $47. So I just want to make sure you know that this $47 per month, that's the price it is now, but this is going to change in the future. So if you have the ability and the means to take advantage of this today, I do strongly recommend that you do that, because if you sit on this and the price has changed when you do sign up to the premium membership option, then of course it's going to be costing you an extra $20 a month more than it would have done if you'd have become a member when it was at $47. But we do have that free option there for the people that simply do not have the ability. We don't want you to go into debt or anything like that, or go beyond your means. So if you're in that kind of situation, just get into the program, follow the training videos, watch the mindset videos, listen to the audios, do exactly what we show you, and then you can start recovering your situation. And hopefully quite soon you're going to get to the point where your income from doing this, from building your email list and selling products to the people on those lists, your income from doing that will supersede your income from your day job, and you can become financially free. But of course, if you do have the ability to invest the $47 per month for a premium membership, you are also at the same time as building your business, you're going to be getting this passive income from these commissions. And in this particular case, this product here would cover almost 3 years of your premium membership just by making one sale in 3 years. That's incredible. So there we go, guys. That is the difference between free and premium membership. Decide which one is right for you and then click on the button to get started. If you choose the premium membership option, you will be taken to a secure, this is a secure website. The little padlock in the address at the top will show you that it's secure. But you are taken to the website where our payments are all processed. ClickBank process the payment for you. And then after that, there'll be a button that you click on that's going to take you to the registration page where you create your username and password. And then you're in. Then you're in the members area. You can start watching the training videos and get started straight away. You can actually start doing this today. You just get into the training video, start watching, just copy what I do, watch, pause, copy, watch, pause, copy until you get to the end of the video, and you'll have your business set up in just a few hours, and then you can start making some money. So this is the moment that I want you to look back on in a few years' time, when you are financially free, when this business is providing more money than your day job ever did, and you can do all the things that you always dreamed to do. Look back on this moment. Look back on the decision that you made today to start using FreeSponder, either as a premium member if it's available for you, or as a free member to begin with if the premium investment option was simply outside of your means. But look back on this moment as that turning point in your life, because that's what this is going to be. I understand the way a person's mindset works in order to be able to make you successful, and that mindset part of the members area of the website, that's going to guarantee your success. And then all the rest of the stuff about building your email lists and your autoresponder and promoting products and all of that, that's going to provide you with the business that is going to enable you to make money once you've got that mindset that enables that to be a success. So I'm excited for you, I really am, and I'm looking forward to your feedback, your review, your testimonial, your whatever it might be, some photos of your holiday that you're on that you've paid for with this system. So I really love that stuff, so make sure you send me an email when you get to that position. But just before I go, I will say once again, make sure you're aware that if you go for the free option today and you decide to upgrade later, the price could be $67 a month by the time you're ready to upgrade. So if it's available for you at $47, you should grab it while it's still there. So as soon as we've got enough reviews for the website and enough feedback from our current members, it's switching over to $67 per month. And those reviews and feedback, they're already coming in. Now, of course, when we launched the business, we didn't have any of those because nobody had used the system yet. And also the people that signed up straight away, they need to use the system for a few weeks or a few months before they can get some genuine feedback about how it works for them. So this has been a process that has taken a bit of time for us, but it is something that we're starting to get a bit of feedback back now. So we will be updating our website with all those reviews, the testimonials. And when we do that, we'll be locking in the monthly membership at $67 per month. So there we go, guys. Free or premium, your decision. Do whatever is right for you, and I'll see you in the members area where you can join me on those training videos and get your business set up. And of course, come and join me in the mindset training as well. And we can develop your wealth mindset, give you a millionaire mindset so that you can become incredibly wealthy. See you soon, guys. You take care and have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.